Opening a credit repair business. In opening a credit repair business, there are certain traits and certain skills that one must have or learn in order for them to be successful in this business or in this type of industry. The credit repair business is a good business, but if you want to really succeed in this business, you have to have certain traits and skills. You have to learn or have to have them in order for you to be successful. You have to have people's person skills, meaning to say you have to have people skills, and you have to have dedication. Amongst all other traits and skills that's available out there that people has, these two are the ones that someone who is looking to run a credit repair business needs to have. Why is that? You need to have people skills because this type of industry or this type of business revolves around interaction. Constant interaction, meaning to say all throughout your length of running this business, you would be constantly interacting with people. That's why you need to have people skills. You need to have dedication because someone who's looking to get this business successful needs to understand that you would be doing multiple things at first while you are starting up. Meaning to say you would be doing different parts of your business while you are starting up. You need to do your marketing, you need to do your dispute process, you need to do your administrative tasks. There's a whole lot that you're going to be covering. That's why you need to have dedication. Now, apart from the two that's mentioned, there's also other traits and skills that you need to know and learn. You have to understand that you would be needing to be able to sit in front of a computer for more than 5 hours at a time. Why is that? There are certain things that you need to accomplish within a day, certain tasks that you need to be able to do. And just a couple of notes that you have to take note in order for you to be able to withstand this. First, make sure you are comfortable. Make sure that the space you are working in is comfortable. Get a good chair and always keep your back straight. Stand up from time to time and stretch a little bit. Don't bury yourself working for that 5 to 8 hours long. Go ahead and stand up from time to time, stretch a little bit so that you also get to refresh yourself and be able to think through. Do not forget to take a break. Take at least a quick 10 minutes break from time to time. Let's say, for example, maybe every 2 hours, take at least a quick 10 minutes break. Take a snack or go ahead and get some fresh air. Walk around a little bit so that you get to at least rest your mind and then go work back again. Lastly, focus and plan out your day because if you organize what you would be covering for that day, you may be done in less than 5 hours or 8 hours. You may not have to sit there for 5 hours long, but you may only stay there for a few hours. Now, another is you need to have the ability to be organized in handling multiple files at one time. Why? Because there would be different clients and different customers that you would be taking into in this business. And having said that, there's different files that they would be submitted. There would be their profiles, documents, supporting documents, and other different files that you'll be needing to organize. So in doing so, you have to make sure that you don't panic and stay calm, especially if there's already a lot that you need to organize. Don't panic, stay calm, and think things through. Now, having said that, focus and think of your strategy. How am I going to organize all these files? How will I do the organization? How will I compile them properly to make sure that I don't miss any of them? Then there's this option for you to think about, would you do it manually or online? Meaning to say, would you get a file cabinet and store all of your files in there? Or would you get maybe an online storage for you to store files or save files into your computer? Or get a credit repair business software just like Client Dispute Manager software and be able to store your files and organize them in a very easy manner. You have to act according to your strategy, meaning to say when you plan out how you're going to be doing your organizing, how you're going to be doing your compiling, You have to be able to act according to that strategy. Don't just go ahead and decide on a different strategy. Of course, you could interchange from time to time, whichever works best for you, but always do go within your plan. Now, another trait that you need to have, or another skill that you need to have, is you have to be okay talking to different customers with different personalities. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, that people skills is number one thing that you need to have, because one thing that's constant in this business is constant interaction with clients. Meaning to say, when you have constant interaction with different people, your customers will have different personalities and would have different preferences in terms of ways of communication. You have to be able to understand and be able to communicate clearly to each one of them, no matter what their personalities are. You have to be patient, listen carefully, empathize as needed, and understand their needs and goals. In order for you to understand their needs and goals, always ask probing questions or discovery questions. If you need any assistance in making sure you get to accomplish this skill, or you get to really learn how to do this, look for training materials, join in webinars, or enroll in courses, research. Understand the best way of communication for them. You have to know what's their preference. Do they prefer to go online? Do they prefer to have a personal meeting with you? Do they prefer to be over the phone with you? Or do they prefer to have an email conversation? These are things that you need to really figure out. Now, another is you have to have an open mind to learn more and grow your business. As I mentioned, you need to have dedication. And apart from dedication, you also need to have an open mind to learn more and grow your business. You need to be willing to attend training online. Be willing to attend in any type of training. Be there. Be there to listen and learn more to grow your business. You have to take action. Research and take notes. Go online and research different things that would help your business. You have to attend different training events as you can. Look up different training events that would allow you to learn more how to grow your industry, how to be successful in your industry. Look up training courses. There's a whole lot of other options out there in order for you to definitely learn more about growing your business. You have to be patient and you have to have dedication to go through this different training. Now, lastly is you have to understand that this business takes time to grow. That's why we have discussed all those different traits, and now we're discussing what are the things that you need to do in understanding and not giving up. First, focus on your goal. Think about what is your goal. If your goal is being successful in this business, then focus on that. You have to be willing to take risks and opportunities. You have to be open for opportunities and taking risks. You have to be there. You have to really do your part. You don't have to give up easily. This is something that you have to remove from your vocabulary. The words give up. You have to remove that. Do not give up easily because it's a long process, but along the way, if you focus on your goal, you'll definitely achieve more. The future of your business is always depending on you. It depends on what you want to do. It depends on what you will do. Now, thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. And by having to reach the end of this video, I'm giving you a free step-by-step guide on how to start and run a credit repair business. This is starting a credit repair restoration business blueprint. Just go ahead and click the link below in the description box in order for you to grab your free step-by-step guide.